Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can solve your errors or problems in the VIBER app. So let's get started. So first, what we want to do is of course, download and install VIBER in our app here. You need to download and install in your local app store, Play Store for Android and App Store for iOS. Now, once you have downloaded it and used it, but still facing errors, so what you can do is make sure that you only have your internet connection on, no other signal that you have been on except for the internet, no mobile data, Bluetooth or whatsoever. You should turn both of that off because it could tamper with your connection and depending on your device. And also, most importantly, you should turn off your VPN because it could tamper with the connection that you have in your phone, and it could really cause an error to VIBER, and it would be the reason, it is the most common reason that is why you are receiving error on VIBER. And another thing that you can do is clear the cache of your app. Let's go to VIBER here, VIBER, and go on app info, and you want to go and clear data, clear all data, or you can just clear all the cache. And after that, you can use the VIBER again, and let's see if the error still occurs. If it still does, then you can do this. Check your storage and make sure that you have an adequate amount of space for you to use your VIBER. As you can see, I have more than enough, so it was good for me. And even if you've done all of that, after you've done all of that and you're still facing errors, then this is the last resort, or the most effective thing that you can do is go to VIBER support. You can contact them about your info, and for sure they will be able to give you a response on how to solve it, on why you are facing the error. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.